Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to look at how to create AI images in ChatGPT for free. So first of all, we need a prompt. You can create that in ChatGPT if you want, or you can find like a simple free AI prompt generator like this one I've found here. There's lots to choose from. This one is feeddo.com. And you can create prompts for different platforms. So I'm going to click on the ChatGPT prompt generator and give it some details about the prompt I want. So I'm going to say, create me an image of a cat standing on its hind legs, holding a kitten's hand. So you can give it more detail about the image you want, whether you want it cinematic or a sketch or watercolor, something like that. But I'm just going to leave it like that and see what it comes up with. So it might take a few seconds for the prompt to generate. So here's the prompt. You're an imaginative artist specializing in creating whimsical and heartwarming illustrations. Your expertise lies in bringing playful scenes to life. So it's telling ChatGPT how to act and what you want. So if you're happy with that, you copy the prompt back over to ChatGPT, and we're going to type that in and click send and see what it comes up with. So ChatGPT is working on the image now. I've just got the free account, so bear in mind that you can only maybe do a few free images at a time. If you need more, you can upgrade to the Pro, but I've always found the free enough for me. So let's see what image it comes up with. See if it's any good. And you can also upgrade to get the images created faster as well. So Plus will put you to the front of the queue when generating images. But as you can see, it's created this image of a cat for me. They look more like they're high-fiving than holding hands, but you can make the prompt a little more detailed and generate it again to get something more that you want. But that's just a quick tutorial to show you how to get AI images in ChatGPT for free. Hope that was helpful. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials.